Brick craft, more like brick crap. This is how much I care about content. It's 10 degrees outside, I'm freezing, and I'm gonna shoot this thing with a BB gun. This gun used to be so hard for me to crank. Now it's like easy. I think I just hit it. We have penetrated it. Busted this thing open. This is from shooting it. What happened? Oh no, lady's after me. No. Onto the building part. I'm opening it with one of the holes like that. Ah, frick. I'm good now. Literally has holes in a hole in Rudolph's face. I might have broken a piece when shooting it.
I super glued the piece and I think it's good to go.
Found a BB bullet inside the Legos.
These are extra pieces.
Here we have it, the finished Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. I hate to admit it because this is Flego. This might be one of the most well put together Lego sets that I've ever gotten. Now, Rudolph, his nose glows, which in this video I'll make him glow. It just won't be his nose, it'll be his entire body because I'm going to explode him with firecrackers. Alright, I've been waiting to finish this video because literally the snow is here and then it literally just kept snowing like that huge snowstorm. So I've literally been waiting for it to get nice out and it's finally nice out. So I'm now going to explode the frick out of frickin' Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. He is cooked. Got this and I got this. Windy out, which is really annoying. I don't know why there's wind. All right, let's explode. There's wind, so it wasn't working, but I got something to block the wind. Oh, just knocked it over. I set off freaking firecrackers and it does nothing to him. I thought that was gonna. You are joking. All right, goodbye. I'm making more videos. Stay safe. Stay away from drugs and bad stuff. Peace out. See you guys in the next video.